Hi third graders, welcome to spelling class. Today it's Monday and it is a new week. I hope all of you have the energy to start this new week, okay? And I hope all of you do your assignments, okay? So this day we're gonna learn about a new topic, okay? And this is called vowel team syllables. So right now I'll explain a little bit more using a PowerPoint presentation. So as I told you, this is our topic for today, vowel team syllables, okay? And what is a vowel team syllables? It's a syllable containing two vowels that together make one sound, okay? Look, they are together. And I have an example over here, bean, pie. Now, vowel teams. A syllable with two vowels that make one sound. One vowel will say its name. For example, this one over here, they are together. But when you read a word that has two vowels, you're not going to say the two vowel sounds. You're just going to say one vowel. It's going to say its name, okay? For example, O, E, I, okay? So I have one word over here, peanut. I have, look, two vowels together. This is called a vowel team syllable, vowel team, okay? And here I have another vowel. But here, P, like one vowel is gonna say its name. So here it's E sound. So it's gonna be peanut. Okay, if I divide this word into syllables, here, remember? So I have another example, and this is from your vocabulary. I have monk. You're not gonna say this sound and another sound because they are two vowels together. So you're just gonna say one vowel, like E, monkey. Okay? I have another example that it's in our vocabulary. And the word, look, I have E and A together. Remember, when you have two vowels together, only one vowel will say its name. Reading. Okay, reading. So this is the concept for this week. We're learning about vowel team syllables. And vowel team syllables are syllables that they're together, remember? But only one vowel will say its name. So now I will explain what you have to do. In your workbook today, you will have to work on page 164. So I will explain this. You know why I have it like this? Because in this way, you can see the vocabulary. My board is kind of little. So I cannot have that vocabulary over there and the exercises. That's why I do it like this. Okay? And I'll paste the other one. And then we're gonna do this exercise together, okay? So I will read the instructions. The instruction says, write the missing letters, only missing letters, okay? To make each spelling word complete. Then write the spelling word on the line. So, number 1, C-O-M. Which one has C-O-M, 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 C-O? This one, complain. So I will write it, only the letters that are missing. So it is. Okay? When I have it like that, I write it correctly on the line, the complete word. Remember, improve your handwriting, okay? Now, number 2, R-E-P. R-E-P, R-E-M, closed. R-E-P, oh, here, R-E-P, repeats. Look, and I write it correctly on the line, okay? The next one, Read. Read here. Look. Reading. Remember that you need to cross out the words so it's easier for you. Reading and reading. Okay. The next one has EX. EX. Oh, here. Look, so close. And ED at the end. So I will write just the letters that are missing. Okay, not the whole word. So here I'm missing PLAIN. Explained. This is in past because it has ed at the end. Do you remember that rule? Now, all in. Which one is all in? Where is that word? Here. Look. So I think this is kind of easy for you. So you write it correctly on that line. So this is what you're gonna do on page 164. I hope you understand. And if you don't understand, you can text me and I will explain again, okay? So I will take away this so we can see page 165. So in page 165, what do we have to do is that we need to write the spelling words with the spelling patterns, right? So I will write this over here. Right now to paste. And I think I'm gonna paste this one over here. Okay. And again, I am missing tape. Where did I put the tape? Here. So I will paste this over here. Okay. And this page also, it's really easy for you because you just need to follow or to identify the pattern, and then you just need to write words. So this is easy too. Okay, I will put something over here so you can see it better. Okay, so you need to look for this pattern, this vowel team over here. So which one has this one over here? AI, look. So you just need to write the word because the instruction says write the spelling words with these spelling patterns. So you write explain. Okay. Another one that has this vowel team, detail. So you write it over here. Well, they need to have this pattern, right? This pattern over here. And now you have more in your page, but I just put those so you can see what do we have to do. Now this is spelling EA. So we look for EA, look repeats. So you write repeats over here. This is easy, right? I know that this is easy. Now another one that has EA, 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 EA. Which one has EA? Like reading. So I'm gonna write reading. So here. Now the other side I have IE. So which one has IE? For example, I have this one, brief. So I'm gonna write that. Remember, to make it easier for you, you need to cross out the words that you already use. Okay? And now the word EE. Which one has EE? This is easy, right? So EE, this one, preteen. So you write this. Remember to see my PowerPoint presentation to understand the meaning, and also to repeat, to say, spell and say each word using the pronunciation that you will see in the PowerPoint presentation. So I will take away this so you can see what do we have to do on the section B, because this is section A. Section B, you will have to compare the words about and allowing, okay? Allowing. So here, both words begin with A. Look, A and A. Both words have a vowel team syllable that makes the sound ow. And how are they different? Well, the vowel team syllable in the word about, it's spelled O-U. And the vowel team syllable over here, it's spelled O-W. That's why they're different, because look, this is O-U, this is the vowel team, and this is O-W, and this is the vowel team. That's why they're different, okay? So this is what you have to do today. You're watching my video. After my video, you're gonna watch another video, okay? So funny. And then remember to say, spell, and say each word. Download the presentation so you can hear the pronunciation, okay? And after that, well, you're gonna work on page 164 and 65. Remember to write the date, May 4th. It's already May, can you imagine? And this is it. Love you. Bye-bye.